Good morning, how are you? Today we are going to do a very quick little tutorial really on a YouTube thing. There's a function in YouTube that allows you to slow the track down but maintain the pitch, which, as you can imagine, is super useful when you are trying to learn a new song. I use it literally all the time. I also use Audacity. I might do another clip on that another time, but as a really quick and easy version of what you can do, come and check this out. So if we just have a look over here, I'm going to start my video. If you see, I'm going to just press play here, and kicks off with a very cool track by very cool track by happening Sydney indie band Soul Messengers. When you have the video playing here, what you can do is you can actually check out the little wheel here on the window, and we're going to click it, and you see it pops up here with a little dialog box, and it says playback speed. You turn that down there. It says playback speed, and we click on here and it says normal, but then what you'll find is you can go to 3/4 of the pace, which is pretty cunning, and now you can hear the track is just slower, but it's maintained the pitch. Now when we get down to sort of half speed, it got sound a bit strange. So what I would suggest first is that you get a real handle on exactly, basically get the notes under your fingers, and then once you get it going, if you want to practice with the track but you can't quite manage full speed, pick the 0.75 option and give it a go. I hope that has been helpful. Please do check out my band Soul Messengers at www.soulmessengers.com.au, but also use this tip. It's really helpful. It's helped me heaps and heaps over the last few years, and thanks to my young student Alex for showing me exactly how that works. I will see you next time. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for regular notifications, and I will see you next time. Cheers, bye.